Hey guys, what's up? So, I'm making this video, like, it's my second YouTube video. In this tutorial, not really tutorial, in this video, we will be surviving in Minecraft. Yeah, I'm from Post Gamer Videos. We're gonna be playing a survival mode in Minecraft. So, we're just gonna start playing. Like, we're gonna, launch a new world. We're gonna build like a house or something, and the next video, this video is just like an intro to it. So we're gonna be yeah. So today we're gonna be just like launching the survival mode, and then like next time, in the next video, survival episode 2, we're gonna be actually mining for diamonds. Yeah, so diamond's one of the rarest ores in Minecraft. I think you guys should know. Sorry, my stupid thing is not loading. Alright, okay. I don't think that worked. That didn't work. Yeah, so, yeah, it didn't work. Might work. Like, okay, so it started working. Now, wait, shit. Okay, so the thing, it started working again. So I'm gonna extract one, and then I should have the other one. That or only like I don't know, like the two are working. Hey, it's not responding. Let's go. I'm gonna delete. Fine. Okay, now, boom. Okay, so let's play. Well, this is like one of my good worlds. Let me save it here if I want. Okay. So, yeah, so I just created the world. I'm just gonna go to the spawning point, and the intro will be over, and I'll launch my new video. Like, I launched a new video tomorrow. So yeah, this is basically like a stupid intro you have to go through, and it's building the terrain. Building the terrain. Building the terrain. Oh, look at that. That's cool. I like the cool stuff. What the fuck? Wait, shoot. I am in the fucking middle of nowhere, and there is no trees or anything. This is not cool. Okay, so that's basically it. See you guys.